Watermelon
Sa
yogurt,
amin
miss.
sa pick up coffee.
Just,
So my hubby is gonna buy his favorite
do you want coffee or just same like me? Watermelon yogurt.
watermelon yogurt.
Same as me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks,
Same as
hubby.
me or same as my order?
So yun na yung order namin. Pinick up na ni hubby ang aming coffee. O, diba? Pick up coffee. But it's not a coffee, guys. It's a watermelon yogurt. Go, hubby. Shake, shake, shake. Oy. Oy, oy, oy. Saan naman na dong?
Happy lemon. Ay, happy lemon na nun.
Uy, pick up coffee ito. Hindi ito happy lemon. Dun sa
Ay,
teka.
busot ako. Naunong na ko ni. Ay, ang saba.
Thank you, hubby. Pick up coffee. Pick up watermelon. So this is our order. Sarap na namin. So refreshing. Okay, just arrived here in the office. Thank you sa paghatid, hubby.
You're welcome, my love. Your baon
Okay.
is there and your backpack is there already complete.
Yes, and you'll go home.
And
Thank you, hubby.
you're welcome always.
Bye.
Bye-bye.